Hey kids! Welcome to another exciting adventure of learning and fun. Are you ready to learn numbers with some fun farm animal noises? It's going to be a blast. Today, we're going to count from 1 to 10, and we'll meet some noisy friends along the way. Each number will have a special animal friend to help us learn. Let's get started. Are you ready? Here we go. 1. Look, it's a cute little chick. Can you hear it? Cheep, cheep. Isn't it adorable? That's one chick. Let's say it together. One chick. 2. It's a pair of playful pigs. Oink, oink. They love to roll in the mud and have so much fun. There are 2 pigs rolling in the mud. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I see 3 cows grazing in the field. Moo, moo. 1, 2, 3 cows. They look so peaceful, don't they? 4. Oh, look. What do we have here? 4 fluffy sheep. Ba, ba. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aren't they fluffy and cute? Do you see 5 ducks swimming in the pond? Quack, quack. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ducks love to swim and quack all day long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Wow, 6 clucking hens. Cluck, cluck. They are busy laying eggs. Let's count them out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. There are 7 goats on the hill. Mama, they love to climb and play. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at those 8 silly turkeys. Gobble, gobble. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turkeys are so funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, 8 clucking hens. Cluck, cluck. Look at those 8 silly turkeys. Gobble, gobble. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turkeys are so funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 9 playful ponies. Nay, nay, they love to run and play. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 chirping sparrows. Tweet, tweet. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids. You did amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 chirping sparrows. Tweet, tweet. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids. You did amazing. We counted from 1 to 10 with all our farm animal friends. Wasn't that fun? Each animal had its own special sound and personality. If you had fun today, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fun learning videos. We have so many more adventures waiting for you. See you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye.